What's going on, guys? So today we are going to talk about trailer wiring. You have two types of wiring that you're typically going to see on our yards, 4-pin and 7-pin. Holding a 4-pin in my hand right here. These are on all single axle trailers. You only need 4 wires to operate a single axle trailer, left turn and right turn, which also operate your brake lights. You need your running lights and your ground. Once you go up from there, you go to 7-pin wiring. 7-pin wiring is going to be on tandem axle trailers with brakes. That is going to look like this, which I'm sure you've seen. So there are 2 additional wires in most of these things. One is going to be the actual brake wire that goes to the brakes and actually turns the brakes on when you step on them in the truck. The other is going to be the 12-volt hot or charge wire. And so what's that's going to do is, assuming the truck has the 12-volt hot lead in it, it is going to keep this battery right here, your breakaway battery, charged, and it will also charge or operate things like electric jacks or lights inside of a trailer if you have additional lighting in there. The final wire, number 7, is typically they're used as an auxiliary wire, or some of the new models coming out, especially from people like Diamond C, do have reverse lights in them. So if you see a light on a trailer like this, has red, and then on the outside has a little bit of a white color to it, that's going to be a reverse light. The center pin on that round 7-pin, that is going to be your reverse light, and will only be on some of these newer trailers. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.